What's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to touch up your rims on any car. I'm doing this on my X6. So first I painted my rims black and I started getting some scratches here and there from the curb. So I decided to, instead of going to a shop and fixing it and paying a lot of money, I decided to just buy the small thing and fix it up myself. So I bought this touch-up paint, matte black. I'm gonna leave a link down below. So it's just a touch-up paint. You just apply it on the scratch, and it's just from close up, you definitely gonna see it and notice it if you like look really closely. But from far away, it's not noticeable, and it looks way better than with a scratch. So I'm gonna show you guys right now how it looks like before and after, and I'm gonna do some touch up. Yeah, so I found this scratch right here on my rim. As you can see, this little piece, and so as you can see from far away, you can definitely notice it, but I'm gonna change it now. So just take this thing out. I'm gonna put it on the ground right now, and actually I'm gonna hold it. Ooh, I fucked it up, and I dropped it, and all the fucking paint is gone. Whatever. Just doing it for the video. So as you guys can see, we just start applying some paint. Doesn't matter how you do it, just it's all on you, of course, but for me it doesn't matter. I'm just doing it to cover the scratch so it doesn't jump into your eye. And right now, if you see it, it's a big difference from the rim. It's like matte, and it's also dirty. You can probably like wash it before you do it. Maybe sand it would be even better. And right now it's popping out really hard, but after it dries out, it's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, that's how you do it. From here you can even see it, it's just black rim. Same with all the rims, they just look the same now. And even though all four of them have scratches. So yeah guys, it's that easy to do, and it only costs like $10. So if you guys want, just go ahead and buy one and try it out for yourself. It's not too expensive, it's very cheap. You can do it yourself, and it just looks way better than it is with the scratch. It just pops in your eye. The first thing you see on the car is that little scratch on the rim. Of course, it depends on the color. If it's like aluminum and it's scratched, it wouldn't like be noticeable as much. But if it's black and it has a aluminum scratch, then yeah, it's trash looking. So yeah, I wish I didn't drop the paint bottle, but whatever. Half of it is gone now. It's all in my hand, my leg. Crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave some comments down below. If you have any questions, I can help you out. Also, I'm recording this video on an iPhone, so let me know how you feel about that. Like, how big is the difference, if there is any difference. Maybe the iPhone, to me, I feel like the iPhone is way better quality, and it's like more stable than the GoPro that I use. And also the screen is pretty big, so I can see myself, even though I shouldn't be looking at myself because the eyes on the video are jumping left and right. But anyway, it's all good. So yeah, stay tuned for new videos, and peace.